Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow fresh coriander right at home. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just starting out, this easy method will have you enjoying homegrown coriander in no time. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need coriander seeds, potting soil, planting containers or pots, watering can or spray bottle, sunny windowsill or outdoor area. Step 2. Prepare the planting containers. Next, prepare your planting containers. Ensure they have drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Step 3. Planting the seeds. Now, it's time to plant the seeds. Scatter the coriander seeds evenly over the soil surface, then lightly cover them with a thin layer of soil. Step 4. Watering. Water the soil gently using a watering can or spray bottle. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Step 5. Placement. Place your containers in a sunny location. Coriander thrives in bright light. Step 6. Maintenance. Continue to water your coriander regularly to keep the soil consistently moist. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Step 7. Harvesting. In about 3-4 weeks, your coriander should be ready to harvest. Clip off the leaves as needed, leaving the stem intact to encourage further growth. Conclusion. And there you have it, fresh coriander grown right at home. Remember, coriander is a versatile herb that adds wonderful flavor to many dishes. Give it a try and enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown herbs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time.